Missouri, weighing in at 250 pounds, the Viper, Randy Orton. The piercing look in the eyes of Randy Orton, Byron, you said it earlier tonight, is about retribution for the Viper.
Orton has to be salivating at the thought of knowing that he's got Jinder Mahal all to himself.
We're talking about what Jinder Mahal's got coming up at SummerSlam. We should get out the more, but for Randy Orton, we found that last week. He has his own problem to deal with in Rusev. Remember what Randy Orton said earlier tonight? Rusev, wrong place, wrong time. I'll give Rusev something to be afraid of at SummerSlam.
Much like Jinder Mahal can't look forward to thinking about the war, Randy Orton cannot be thinking about Rusev. He's got to be thinking about the task at hand, and that's the WWE champion.
It was in this arena in 2004 at SummerSlam that Randy Orton, age 24, became the youngest WWE champion of all time. He's since won the championship 13 different times, but tonight it's personal with Jinder Mahal.
14th title eluded, and because of Mahal, we're not talking about personal one, losing the championship rematch in his hometown of St. Louis in front of his Hall of Fame father, Cowboy Bob Orton. This is about family, and this is about redemption for Randy Orton.
This has got extremely personal, and this is a Randy Orton that for all that we have seen Randy Orton, they call him the legend killer.